Meaning of enchantress.
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 Enchantress. An enchantress is a woman who uses her charm and beauty to cast spells or exert a powerful influence over others. She possesses an almost supernatural ability to entrance and captivate those around her, often causing them to act against their own self-interest. Enchantresses are typically associated with magic and mythology, and are often depicted as elusive and mysterious figures with otherworldly powers. In literature and popular culture, enchantresses are frequently portrayed as seductive temptresses who use their feminine wiles to manipulate men for their own purposes.